Okay. Hello. Mga kapatid, na ako diri gitawag na pork steak. Yan, pork steak. Tapos, nakoy sauce din made of lemon, kalamansi, tuyo, suka, paminta, garlic powder. Then, ako ibutang dire. Okay, later on, ako ni siyang i-oven. Dali naman siya maluto kay steak man siya, pork steak. Not a beef steak but pork. See? Inayo ang pagmarinita niya. Tapos, taon-taoran na to for a couple of minutes. Then, you know what? Kini among lapuan. This is lugbati or spinach.
Wild spinach.
Wild spinach. Yeah. Tapos ako na ko'y kangkong. Kasi tawag din kangkong,
Watercress.
Oh, okay.
Water spinach.
Among siyang lapuan. Then mo among dinner mamaya. Okay? Alright. See you next. Okay, after that, plaster na ko dere. Alright, use the screen so that ako na siyang ibutang dito sa
Hindi mo pa naman pinundar yung oven.
ako pa. Yan. Plaster na to ni siya. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, plastado na. Sorry. Okay. Tapos, isit na to ang atong oven. I-broil siya. And less. Right. So, ito tanggal is sulod. Look at that. Then ako'y patuluan ng mantika. Matulog mo na siya. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's see at 15 minutes. Alright. See you next. Okay guys. I think it's done. Dari na ito ibutang sa here. 1 2 yung pork steak 3 and 4. Right. Tapos also what? It's okay, we can do it later.
It's gonna.
Alright, here. Okay. Okay. Plaster daan na to din and of course ang among gulay hagikan sa garden yung lapuan, and I have also my off-flake red wine for the pork steak. I have rice and sausawan, right? And I'm going to open this one. Of course. Okay, see you next. Okay. Mag-slice na. Dali rin siya maluto kay Nikis Roman. Kaon akong cameraman. Di siya palupig.
Sarap.
Oo. Okay. Oops. Actually, bit-bit ko ni sa kuadari. Sinipid ihadari. Alright guys. Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.